Michael.
Oh, that's a shot. Well, that is a shot. Right, so, dear Christopher, do you want to go down the back and push?
I think the hardest moment would definitely be the Pacific flight. So after 10 hours I arrived on this small island. It was starting to get dark, so I landed in this island and it was quite low clouds, it was raining, it was getting quite dark, no land, no lights on the runway, and it's actually an uninhabited island. So if anything would have gone wrong, I would be on my own on that island. So really important that nothing went wrong. So I landed there and then I just had to sleep in a small shed on the side of the runway because it's uninhabited. That's completely abandoned for over 10 years.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, and you're smiling too much. If you can look at each other. He's got a big grin on his face. Brilliant.